How to turn on message request on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn on message request on Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Messenger application on a device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Select three line icon at top left corner of the screen. Now choose your icon at top right. Scroll down. Now tap Privacy and Safety under Preferences. Under Who Can Reach You section, tap Message Delivery. Now tap Friends of Friends on Facebook. Now here you can easily choose the location where you want to deliver the request to, either chats or message request to turn on message request on Facebook Messenger. Simply you can select message request for now and the request will be delivered to message request. Come back, tap Others on Messenger on Facebook and tap Message Request. Doing so, you will successfully turn on Message Request on Facebook Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.